Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create zoom in and out animation effect in CapCut PC. So select your photo and just going to add animation. Select combo animation, select the zoom to and adjust for duration until full, and add the same image and go to animation again, select combo and select zoom 1 just for duration until full, and select the clip, just copy paste as you like, and you can also add the sound and effect available here, but I don't add another element here. You can see for the result. So here we go, this is the final effect you'll have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.